what's good with y'all? Thank y'all for tuning in to another vlog. Y'all see him at Joe Buddy Racing inside the shop. It's gonna be like a little simple kind of instructional video on. I hope people enjoying it. Cause I saw a few comments in the well, not the last video, but the last video I did of John Jones where we were doing the calipers and stuff. And what to talk about that, like I said, it got late. I had to go edit and stuff, so that's why I cut off. What we're gonna end up doing, I'm gonna actually run I'm gonna buy an aftermarket brake system and change the calipers and stuff. Cause from the jump I really didn't want to shave the calipers, but I'm impatient. I'm an impatient person. I really put the rims on. I want to show y'all how they look, and I was gonna mount them all up, get a good thumbnail and all that, but you know, like I said, timing and all of that. But you know, you can shave the calipers, a lot of people do, but I'm gonna run a brake system and I'll give y'all the part number on that. But a lot of people in the comments were saying they wanted to actually see us put that tire on the 17-inch rim, which I know y'all do want to see, because a lot of people don't know that that tire will fit. So that's what we're about to do today, as you can see by the thumbnail. And I'm gonna show y'all the whole process, so, and what it takes and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so we over here at the tire machine. See, we got my Uncle Joe Buddy. His channel is on the screen right now. Make sure to go subscribe, check the videos out. Let's get his watch time up. He hit 1,000 subscribers, still rolling. And we got the Jegs Ssr spikes, 17 by 4.5. We got a 205/50 17 tire. We about to get on this rim. So I'll just check everything out. Like I said, even the tire shops couldn't get the tire on the rim. It might have been just tire shops I was fooling with, but I brought it down here to Unc and he made it happen. So, and like I said, you always gotta get your valve stems. You got to remember that the rims don't come with valve stems in, but y'all can see that in the other vlog. Y'all just bear with me, won't be moving around, so let me line this up for y'all. So there you go. It took a little work. It took a little work, not a lot, but a little. But we got it up on there. And if y'all been following the channel a long time, you know we got it on there, because you saw my S10 I had the exact same rims on the front. 17s in the front, 15s in the back. And if you want these rims, I'll put the link in the description, and you can click on it, you can get them. Just make sure you get the right bolt pattern and the right back spacing when you're talking about your back rim. So, cause you try to get the race tires for these rims, they like $250 a piece or something like that. Between $220 to $250 a piece for the race tires. Oh yeah, keep in mind too, if you ever buy rims, make sure you really want them, make sure they fit your car and all of that, because if you mount a tire, you get to this point right here, it's a wrap, it's your rim. That's with any company, so you just keep that in mind if you didn't know that. You get to this point, you made it there for, it's yours, so ain't no sending it back, none of that. Let me hold it on. Yeah. I think last time I had, yeah, I think it was about 2 or 3 of us. I told y'all it's a job, man. We got my boy Chris over there. What up, Chris?
What's up, bro?
We got Chris over there, y'all. I've been knowing Chris a long time, man. Chris go back to school, man. So we got Chris over here. He be having and stuff too. Pretty sure y'all be seeing one here ride soon. But yeah, last time it took, I'm telling you, it was a little fight, but we got it on there. Oh, and a lot of y'all be asking what's on contact information. If you want to get your car built with some of y'all, it's actually some of the subscribers' cars are down here now finna get motors built and stuff like that. So shout out to them. But his number is 770-601-0140. Shop located in Monroe, Georgia. So just hit him up, send him a text message, and he'll get with you. Do everything: rear ends, motor pulls, installs. He builds them, mild to wide, big block, small block, LS. Does LS swaps, all this stuff. And if I remember right, this the hardest part, ain't it?
Yeah, this the hard part.
This the hardest part, actually getting the tire on there. Then it might take an extra person getting it to pump up, but you get past this, then you home free. You gotta get the pump up then. He just walking it on there, so. Alright, so it didn't take a football team this time. Like last time we did. But they just gotta get the air to go in there and we'll be in there. Hey, last time I think you took the valve stem out and put it in there. Oh no, you pumped it in with the. I know what we did. Look, y'all gotta stay watching. Y'all gotta stay watching for this. I know exactly how he got the air to go in here. Cause this right here wouldn't pump the air in fast enough. So we about to show y'all a little trick to get the air to go in here. I know exactly what he did. I remember now. Well, we still trying it with a regular air tuck right now. So this is what we did last time. We got the blower and blow the air in there real quick. It caught, start pumping it up, and that's what fixed it. So what he's doing right now, he's removing the valve stem. For people that don't know, the actual valve stem is inside. There's a little small piece in there. So he's taking that. There it is right there. That's a valve stem. So then it's just completely open. Tell you what, y'all helping too, but I never had your hand right there.
Oh boy.
don't put your hand right there around that ring. Alright.
Alright, your fight today.
Yeah, trying to put up one on.
And then the door on. Lock it.
What's going on, man?
Hey, come on around, Ryan. Why you knocking, man?
Gonna get Crit to pull up on it. See the catch.
Got some soda fluid in the water.
Yeah. It's a hard part too, y'all, getting the air now. You get it started, you'll be alright.
Hold on. Gotta go back. Gotta go back. Try something else.
So this is the problem, I'm trying to get this side right here to catch, y'all. Get this side to pop up, be in there. Alright, so I had switched to the phone. Old camera done went dead on me. I ain't grabbed another battery, so. What we got going on there? We got the ratchet strap on there. And I think we did this too. I'm gonna have to go back and look at one of the budget bill episode for the S10. I filmed it for the S10 too. I don't think I showed everything like I'm doing now, but I think we did that too. It tightens the tire up to the rim and stuff, so.
You wanna try something? Try something we ain't never tried before. Sound like popcorn there.
Like we got action.
What is the $1?
There you go.
Got him. He's gone.
So there's one. Tell y'all what he had to do basically. Start from scratch. He
Take it
broke.
off, put it back on.
Yeah, he broke the tire apart from the rim, stood it up, and
Beat it.
here we are right here. Yeah. So, as y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all how it looked too, while he got it standing up. Ooh, well, I don't know if that scared some of y'all at home. But boy, you talking about loud. But it is on there.
Let's see what it took to put it on there.
How much air?
75, 80 pounds of air.
80 pounds of air to put that put that
To
tire
get it to
in.
the bead.
They get it on, so never finna obviously let some out. You don't want to run that much air no time. But people that don't know no better, I hope everybody know that. I'm telling you. But that's what it took to get it on there. Boy, that's a lot of pressure. But
Hey, I just hope I ain't the one that had to take it off.
I know, I'm telling you.
We got a soul though.
Oh boy.
I ain't the one that got to take it off.
Got to cut it clean off. But as y'all can see how it look. Tread got a 205/50 on a 17 by 4.5 inch wheel. It will fit. So you don't have to go buy those $230 to $250 tires, race tires. So there y'all have it. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Close the video out. All right, so this is it on the ground. There you go. That's how the tread look. And let me see. Let me lay it up against the door right here. There y'all go. Let me get the center cap. Let me grab the center cap for y'all, so y'all can see. Right here. Got the Jegs center cap. Hope it don't fall out. There you go. Look at that. I touched it and it went about to slide out. We have to stand it up like that.
I don't know about that one.
They go a blooper, y'all. I caught it on camera. I'm keeping everything in there. Standing on the airline. Alright. Well, look, that's it. That's it right there. 17 by 4.5 with a 205/50 tire on it. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, holler at y'all in a minute, and close the video out. We got to do the other one. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So look, checking in, man. About to close the video out. Y'all see it was a fight. I know it was just a little short. Well, it wasn't short, but it was just more of an instructional video. It wasn't that exciting, but people that want to see this, so I want to show it. And boom, we got the rims on. I mean the rims. I'm tripping. We got the tires on the rims. That's how they look in the trunk. About to take them back to the house and do a video. And I gotta get my cap right quick. Do a video putting them on the Camaro. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned in. More good content on the way, and I'm out.